8th vlog. Alright everyone, welcome back to a new video. If you're new here, my name is Yanni and I make videos about college, life, and anything in between. So today, or actually just now, I just finished at the gym with my pal Nathan here.
What's up?
And we were just playing some basketball, having, shooting around and stuff. Probably head to Starbucks, and then later on I have a dinner to get to. But yeah, enjoy. Alright everyone, so walking back towards our dorms right now. I got a dragon fruit refresher, I think it's called, with coconut milk, and my pal got a strawberry acai with regular
with peach juice.
with peach juice.
Yeah,
Wow, peach juice. Very interesting. So yeah, they're pretty good. And also here are our sprinklers, which are very nice. How's your quarter going so far, my man?
It's been the best one so far.
Yeah.
The weather's nice.
That's right.
You get to meet a lot of new people.
Yes, sir. Yeah, it's been nice. And I think we've enjoyed it. All right, everyone. So it's pretty nice. We were just walking around. Beautiful day. Freaking 70 degrees out. Nathan's got his appointment at 7 o'clock. It's about 6:20, so we're heading back to our dorms, which is North Campus. And then I have dinner at 7, so I gotta go shower, get dressed. But yeah, take you guys along and see where else the night takes us. All right, bro. Have a good one.
See ya.
All right, everyone. Actually running really late. I'm meeting some friends downtown Evanston for some dinner. So I got to run down there. It's 7 o'clock. I thought they said 7:15, but I guess not. So I got to get there quick. All right, everyone. 7:13. I think I made it in like 8 minutes, which is pretty good. That's actually really good timing. It's like 30 minutes usually it takes. All right, everyone. So we're actually eating at Flat Top. All right, everyone, so we're at Flat Top Grill. We have Rami right here, Katie and Sabrina. And actually, I was about 10 minutes late. Everyone said here 7:15, and then they changed it to 7 p.m. This kid's saying 7. I don't know what's going on, but...
Separate YouTube channel, and it's going to be a drama channel exclusively to...
All right. Time for the food. Heaven right here. Right behind us. All right, everyone. So we just finished at dinner. It's about 8:20, and
leftovers.
that's right. For days, and now we're heading back, and
All right,
all
lead
probably
the way.
gonna do some homework for
It's
the
a
night.
beautiful sunset.
Because we're Northwestern students.
The weather is awesome.
All right, everyone. So before we end the night, hey, what's up here again?
What's up?
We're gonna play a quick game of pool right here.
All right, everyone. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm gonna outro right here. If you did, please feel free to leave a like, subscribe, comment. Always remember, stay motivated. And I will see you guys in the next video.